Hello, I'm Mark from Moonstone Publications. Welcome to this overview of some of the stories we've covered over the past week. But first, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Coming up in this week's update, how the budget is likely to affect taxpayers and consumers, turn regulatory training into an opportunity. The Financial Intelligence Center is accepting late-filed RMCPs. Sanlam reports robust new business in 2024, and a new study uncovers what South Africans did with their two-pot withdrawals. Wealth managers and investment strategists say the tax proposals in the budget are likely to compound the cost of living challenges, particularly for middle and lower income households. Lara Warburton of Integral Wealth Management says the decision to leave the personal income tax brackets unadjusted for inflation may push more taxpayers into higher brackets and ultimately burden middle income earners further. Renee van der Spring, director at Apex Private Wealth, describes the budget as austere, warning that even modest tax increases, such as the phased VAT increase, will have widespread consequences on household finances. He emphasizes that these changes, coupled with the unchanged VAT registration threshold for small businesses, could force cost increases either on consumers or on the businesses themselves. Isaac Odendaal, Chief Investment Strategist at Old Mutual Wealth, underscores that while the budget's focus on fiscal consolidation and investor-friendly reforms may be seen as positive from a longer-term perspective, these measures do not necessarily translate into immediate relief for citizens. Regulatory training is often regarded as just another box to tick, but it should be seen as an opportunity to stay ahead of compliance risks, safeguard your institution, and enhance your professional expertise. Moonstone Business School of Excellence offers compliance courses that combine engaging video content, interactive modules, and a flexible structure tailored for busy professionals. The curriculum covers key areas such as FICA and POPIA. Each course is designed to deliver practical, up-to-date knowledge while also contributing towards CBT points. Check out MBSE's extensive and competitively priced portfolio of courses. The Financial Intelligence Center is accepting risk management and compliance programs submitted after the deadline of the 12th of March. However, late submissions may result in financial sanctions. Last week, the FIC instructed certain institutions under its supervision to submit their RMCPs by the close of business on Wednesday. Due to a high volume of submissions on the deadline day, the Centre has allowed further submissions, but warned that institutions failing to meet the deadline are deemed non-compliant. The affected institutions include legal practitioners, trust and company service providers, estate agents, high-value goods dealers, and crypto asset service providers. Sanlam, Africa's largest non-banking financial services provider, delivered strong operational results for 2024. The group recorded a 14% rise in the net result from financial services, surpassing 14 billion rand. A solid performance across all business lines, boosted by higher investment returns and reduced corporate expenses, contributed to a 24% increase in net operational earnings. New business volumes also saw steady growth, increasing by 6% to 420 billion rand, primarily driven by strong inflows in Sanlam's South African Asset Management division. The Bureau of Market Research has found that most of the 32 billion rand in net two-pot retirement withdrawals were used for debt repayment and essential expenses, with little evidence of increased savings. The study shows that overdue balances on certain debts temporarily declined after the withdrawals, but later increased, suggesting that repayments were largely once-off. A notable trend was the surge in used car registrations, which peaked in October last year. This, along with rising vehicle finance debt, suggests that many consumers use their withdrawals as deposits for car purchases. That's all we have for this week. You can read these stories and many more on our website, moonstone.co.za. Until next time, here's wishing you all the best from the team at Moonstone Information Refinery.